Hi, I'm Luiza, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful butterfly out of empty toilet paper rolls. For this project we'll need 3 rolls. From 2 of them we'll create the wings, and from the third one we'll create its body. First, we need to flatten the roll. Then, using a pencil, we're going to slightly trace the outline of the wings. Be careful not to trace the wings too pointy, as we want them to be stuck together. Now that we finished tracing them, we can start cutting the wings. Now we repeat the process for the second wing. I find it easier to just use the first wing as an example and just trace the outline on the second roll. This way you'll make sure that the wings are identical. And now for our final roll, we are going to cut it in 8 equal pieces. Now, for the butterfly's head, we're going to take 2 of these previously cut pieces and cut them again at the top. We'll start by rolling the first piece, and then glue the second piece and keep rolling as well. If you enjoyed this kind of video, I hope you'll consider subscribing so you don't miss any of my next crafts. Now we'll glue the head on side one of those 6 remaining pieces. For the next 3 pieces, we're going to measure 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters and 3 centimeters, and then we're going to cut at that mark. Starting from the largest piece to the smallest one, we're going to glue each one inside one of the two remaining big pieces. And now for the final piece of the puzzle, the butterfly's antennas. We're going to take the last remaining piece, cut it at the top, reverse it, and then roll just a little bit of the top. Now that we have all of the pieces, all we have to do is glue them all together. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and maybe even leave a comment. See you on the next one. Bye!